It's your boy Elite Eli, coming to you guys today with my first video. This is my introduction to YouTube. I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to get waves, how to get 360 waves for coarse hair. I just got a 1.5 today and fresh out the chair. When you come home from the barbershop, I'm gonna be teaching you guys what to do. But first, let me show you what I'm working with. I'm not an elite waver yet, but I'm on my way there. Teaching you. This is what I'm working with. Oh, my crown, my barber. Kind of cut my crown wrong, and I had a 1.5. I think from now on, I will be getting a 2 all around in my crown. Cause he kind of, so I'm gonna have to wait for my hair to grow to really work on my crown again. But this is what I'm looking like. So after a fresh cut, you want to get a medium or softy, but I will just use this TORINO Pro. I got soft bristles in the middle, medium. I use this on a fresh cut. It's not too soft, not too hard. It's just the perfect brush for me. It's perfect. You want to use something light, like a butter moisturizer. What I use is As I Am double buttercream. I use this, and I use this, the legendary oil. And of course a durag, silky durag, of course. I got mine from, actually, I'll be leaving a link in the description so you can get all of these products. And let's get a mirror. So let's get started. First, you want to take a good amount. You just got a fresh cut, so you really want to just use about a dime size amount. I'm gonna take about this much. Take about this much. You want to just apply. Apply to your hair just the same way you brush. You apply your butter or moisturizer. I recommend As I Am double buttercream. It's a real good product, natural. And you gotta brush that shit in. I say you brush that in for about 15-20 minutes. Brush that in. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and until next time.